Ramayana and Mahabharata, two of the greatest epics from India, will soon be taught in the schools of Saudi Arabia. This decision has been taken under the Vision 2030 initiative of the Saudi Crown Prince. It's a big step towards inclusiveness, a significant message of coexistence, and a clear reminder of the organic relationship India shares with the Saudi kingdom.
The land of Mecca and Medina, the birthplace of Islam, will now teach epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata in schools. This may just be the most significant step towards inclusiveness from the de facto leader of the Islamic world, and a message in coexistence to naysayers across the globe. The decision has been taken by the Saudi Crown Prince himself. It is part of Mohammed bin Salman's Vision 2030 for his kingdom. The announcement was made by Noof Al-Marwai, a Padma Shri awardee and the first certified Saudi Yogacharya or yoga teacher. She put out screenshots of her son's exam paper, which included questions on Hinduism and its beliefs. Soon, all schools in the kingdom are expected to adopt a similar curriculum. What will the new curriculum include? The history of Hinduism and Buddhism, the teachings of Ramayana and Mahabharata, the concepts of karma and dharma, and the importance of yoga and Ayurveda. Riyadh says it aims to create a coexistent, moderate and tolerant generation. An estimated 440,000 Hindus already live in the kingdom. This is the second biggest Hindu diaspora in the Arab world, after the UAE. In fact, Indians make the largest community of expats in Saudi Arabia. 26.3% of the total migrant population in the country is from India. On the political front, bilateral ties are stronger than ever. The respective visits by both heads of state in recent years have strengthened the traditional bond between the two countries. The relations have taken the form of a 360-degree partnership. Just this month, the Indian and Saudi Arabian navies conducted a joint exercise in the Persian Gulf. And now, as India struggles with a critical shortage of medical supplies, Saudi Arabia is shipping 80 metric tons of oxygen as a gesture of goodwill. But the decision to include Hindu epics in its school curriculum is the ultimate proof that the friendship India and Saudi Arabia share is organic, not cosmetic. Bureau Report, WION. World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.